What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I woke up and I felt like I needed to get out of here, the city. So I called two friends and we are going to camp. So let's go. Wow. Let's go meet them and then start our trip. We are already at the park and we have set up one of the tents. Can someone please give me light? We tried to mount it, but it didn't go so well. Oh. Shit. Look, it's broken. It's broken and we can't use it. So we only have one tent to 3 people. Yeah, tonight it's gonna be an adventure. Good morning, folks. I am hand-holding my camera because my mini tripod broke. So I'm sorry if the footage looks shaky or something. I woke up at 6 a.m. We came to explore a little. Guys, wanna see something cool? I'm going to show you. We are at the park and we are going to eat. Hi guys! What's up? But first I'm going to show you the park. Look, there's the broken fence. They couldn't sleep there, so one of them slept at the car and the other at my tent. My tent is perfectly fine, so that's a good sign though.
camp life.
End of the trip, we're going home now. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Subscribe if you aren't already and smash that like button. Bye.